All right, fourth graders, it is week 6 of your history unit. And now that you have reached the end of this unit, you're going to want to take that quiz again that you took back during week 1. See how much you've improved. Look back and see, is there anything still causing you trouble? Use this as a self-assessment. Celebrate and recognize your strengths and your weaknesses. It's always a very important part of the learning process. Taking a step back and self-assessing. How did I do this unit? Did I do my best? What could I have done better? What's still causing me trouble? So this week, go back, check your facts. Are you happy with your sources? Did you cite them? Did you use a mix of primary and secondary sources? And well, since we're this number 3, because of our forward test prep e-sessions, we won't have a direct e-session on primary and secondary sources. So you will have to do a little bit of digging on the difference between those. And when I'm done with this video, I will include a link here for you just to kind of for you to be able to see the difference between primary and secondary sources. So look for that link. I'll add it as a number 4. Your literacy connection, you should be finishing up that timeline, doing your edits, and then creating that Vocaroo or your Screencast-O-Matic. So there's a Watch Me First video here before creating your Screencast-O-Matic or your Vocaroo. And if I would probably, before you actually go live, kind of practice it. You're not going to read every single slide as is. You're kind of doing like a narration. You're giving a speech. You're kind of like talking casually. So definitely practice. Use your speech as a guideline, or your timeline and your slides as a guideline. Don't forget about the notes section underneath your slides where you can take notes. And then if you were looking to do a little bit more, let's say you're really kind of ahead, you're done with everything, you could do a Wisconsin acrostic poem. So super fun idea. If you do make one, please email them, share them out with us so we can put those up on Blackboard and share those even as announcements or something. We can celebrate your poetry side. Don't forget to revisit that rubric just to make sure that you are aiming for a 4. We always try to aim for a 4 when we do our work. And if you have any questions as you're going, even though there is no e-session, please reach out to us and ask your teachers any questions you may have. Have a great week.